Much love, much love. Hi everyone. Making another video for you. I am Coach Laudiaann Silvers. Welcome to my channel. Now guys, I just came from my Facebook profile. I invited some of my friends over. Welcome. If you have clicked on my link, thank you for coming over. I know you don't know much about me, and if this is your first time here, anybody, this is your first time here, take a look at and browse through all my videos. All right, I have a lot of videos. I have over 250 videos. You can take a look at them. If you like them, leave your likes, your comments, then subscribe to my channel. Wait a few minutes before you subscribe, okay? And then after that, you're gonna get fresh videos from me every day. Now to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for your likes, your comments, and I'm excited. I'm excited because you guys are engaging with me. And anybody that engage with me, I will engage with you. So guys, I'm so excited. I want to tell you a little bit about me. I've been online. I started this channel actually at the end of June, and back then I only had 14 subscribers when I met my mentor, Wesley Virgin, and I had 50 videos. So I encourage those that came to the program, you joined Wesley Virgin's YouTube ad program to build your watch time hours, to build your 1,000 subscribers. You can do it, guys. Keep making videos, keep branding yourself, and you're gonna get there. Okay. So some of my videos will actually share with you how you can get your hours quicker, your subscribers quicker. But you gotta watch my videos, guys, in order to understand it. I also want to congratulate Vivian, because I think Vivian understood what I was trying to say, and she left a comment and said, wow, I never thought about hiring somebody. And I believe she did, and I told her that I can share that with everybody. If you can hire people from Fiverr. You can hire anyone to do your organic traffic. You want to get there fast. If you got less than a year, and your year is very short to reach your 4,000 watch time hours, I recommend you guys get paid advertising done organically. And you can do all this. You can find out more information if you just go to Fiverr. Fiverr has everything. And if you hire somebody from overseas, it's actually cheaper to hire someone overseas, okay, than people from the United States, because our U.S. money is much more valuable to their money. So you actually get it cheaper if you hire somebody from Fiverr. All right, but I'm here, I'm relaxed, and I'm grateful. I give praise to the Most High God, for He's the greatest, because the greatest thing ever happened to me is finding my mentor. And if you want to know who he is Wesley Virgin, $1 billion virgin, Wesley $1 billion virgin. Go ahead, take a look at his channel. Go ahead, click on my link below on the Genie Script. If you don't know about the Genie Script, that's the genie that's the script he used to help him become a millionaire. So go ahead and click on that, and you're gonna know more about it. I'm excited. Right now there's a discount off his course. There's like 9 modules. There's homework with it, and it's only $34 discounted. So instead of $37, now it is $34 discounted. So I'm excited. Anyway, thank you for coming over to my channel. Thank you if you're my Facebook friends. If you clicked on the link and came over to my channel, then thank you for coming over. That way you get to know who I am, and I will engage back with you. I will engage back with anyone. So get excited, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.